the pecking order, nations and birds. This is the common grackle. The males especially like claiming the highest location to lord it over lesser males. I see this during mating season. He who can point his bill the highest is higher up the pecking order. On a tall chimney you can point higher than on a level roof. When you puff up your feathers, spread your tail, point your bill skyward, and squawk, you're the biggest man you can possibly be. It might be said that some people, even nations, are the same. What occurs to me is the United States of America with its beliefs of being exceptional, of being ordained of God, of being the greatest, most free country on earth to the extent that they proclaim it on the world stage and on the street alike. This is my first attempt at making any kind of political video, but the situation calls for it. I will make analogies with other birds, not just the grackle. This is the mourning dove. You can hear its soft coo, but not this one. The bird that's cooing is off in the neighborhood somewhere. Listen. Now watch how the dove interacts with the other birds. That's the robin perched up there. Can I join you? It asks. That didn't work out. It goes to find something else to do. See the robin in the grass on the left. It tried to drink with the dove, but realized it was not welcome and left. Now watch the two sparrows. They don't ask, they just drink. Then the dove walks toward them and they leave. Like the dove, the Americans think they have no equal. Were it not for the substantial aid of disgruntled European powers like France and the Netherlands, the 13 colonies could never have won their revolution against Great Britain. But hearing the Americans talk, you'd think they did it all of their own brave and powerful selves. Plus, listening to them talk, you'd also think they saved the rest of the world in the world wars, despite having sat home for 5 of the 10 war years. Like the common grackle, they puff up their feathers, spread their tail, all to make themselves look big, and squawk like some self-aggrandized hero. And like the dove, they want nothing to do with people who look different from themselves. Up there on top of the fence, the sparrows are having their Davos council, while the dove is drinking alone. Like the robin before them, they find a place on the ground where there's always room for the middle powers. So that's my analogy between the birds and global geopolitics. Just to be clear, I don't think birds are good or bad like people. I like all of the birds. Thanks for watching. See you next time.